Did you put him to sleep?
When I was singing with you, I just felt like... I got you on my towel.
You even look like one, too.
Do you remember how you'd meet a kid and know nothing about them, and then 10 seconds
What'd you do to him?
playing like your best friend? Because
I just put his head on me.
Yeah.
Singing with you felt like that.